This video aims to help students of all levels develop their poetry comprehension skills using The Thought Fox by Ted Hughes. After completing this lesson, your students will be able to give or explain the meaning of words in context, identify or explain how meaning is enhanced through choice of words and phrases, retrieve and record information, identify key details from the text, summarize main ideas from the text, identify how language, structure, and presentation contribute to meaning, make comparisons within the text, predict what might happen from details stated and implied, evaluate how authors use language, including figurative language, considering the impact on the reader, make inferences from the text, explain and justify inferences with evidence from the text. The video begins with an overview of The Thought Fox, including background information on Ted Hughes, the poem's structure and themes, and its significance in the world of poetry. It further provides a brief summary with the text of the poem, which helps the students to understand the content of the poem. In session 1, activity 1 helps students identify and understand the poem's vocabulary. Students will learn how to identify unknown words and use context clues to determine their meanings. Then students to analyze the poem with a series of exercises. These activities include referring lines of the poem to match with the given meanings, identifying the poetry elements like message, tone, context, speaker, point of view, setting, form, and structure, writing a critical appreciation of the poem that includes all the elements of the poem. The resource also includes the differentiated task for level learners, which provides the discussion questions and writing prompts that encourage students to think critically about the poem and its meaning. A plenary for poetry comprehension can help students to deepen the understanding of the poem, to develop their analytical and interpretative skills, and to appreciate the poem's artistic qualities. Session 2 provides students with practical strategies for comprehending and interpreting poetry, including close reading techniques and tips for analyzing poetic language. They will learn how to identify key literary elements such as analogy, irony, alliteration, symbolism, illusion, oxymoron, metaphor, metonymy, repetition, enjambment, imagery, hyperbole, and onomatopoeia, and how they contribute to the overall meaning of the poem. This also includes the characterization that uses clues from the poem to infer the main characteristics of the main characters. These differentiated tasks encourage students to use their understanding of the poem to develop their own interpretation of its meaning. Students will learn how to support their interpretations with evidence from the poem. This activity tests the understanding of the students with regard to their identification of the poetic devices. It further encourages students to come up with a verse-wise summary of the poem, which helps the students to understand the interpretation of the poem. Annotation of a poem involves a close and critical reading that helps readers to unpack the poem's layers of meaning and to appreciate its artistry. Annotation of a poem involves analyzing and explicating the various literary elements, including form, structure, language, themes, and context, to gain a deeper understanding of the poem's meaning and significance. Overall, differentiated task for a poem allow for a range of approaches to encourage students with the poem, promote active learning, and foster creativity and critical thinking. The plenary can provide an opportunity for students to share their ideas and perspectives with their classmates and to engage in a collaborative and supportive learning environment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, John D'Souza, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on my latest educational videos. To download the PowerPoint presentation of this resource, log into online portal Teachers Pay Teachers, and Search for John D'Souza.